Hello friends, today we will learn about Boger synoptic key. Now to learn about Boger synoptic key we have to first remember the magic number 3. Okay, Boger synoptic key. Okay, Boger synoptic key, 3 words and the magic number is 3. So how this is a magic number for Boger synoptic key? So first of all it has 3 to 3 remedies. Okay, and it was published in 1931. Okay, so simply 3 to 3 remedies and 1931 it was published in. This is the magic number 3. And another magic number of Boger synoptic key is it has 3 gradations. Okay, that is capital Roman, bold Roman and Roman, CBR. Okay, in the first video we have discussed how we have to learn the gradations in different types of remedies. So in Boger synoptic key it has 3 gradations. Okay, BSK stands for CBR. Okay, that was the mnemonic we had used for the gradations of Boger synoptic key. So that is capital, bold and Roman, CBR. Okay, so what is this Boger synoptic key? Okay, in this Boger synoptic key we have different methods of prescribing, that is of 2 methods, that is analytical method of prescribing and synoptic method of prescribing. Now the magic number 3 is also there in construction of Boger synoptic key. So how it is related? We have to see that it has 3 main parts in construction. The first part is a short repertory. The second part is a synopsis of materia medica, and the third part, it comprises of more 4 subparts. Okay, so we have got 3 parts, 3 main parts: a short repertory, a synopsis of materia medica, and the third part which comprises of more 4 parts, which are: first is the table of approximate duration of action of the remedies, second is the complementary remedies, third is the antagonistic remedies, and fourth is the supplementary reference table. Okay, these 4 parts are in the 4 subparts are in the 3 main parts. Okay, the last one of the 3 main parts. So you have got the construction. The construction is divided into 3. First is the short repertory, second is the synopsis of materia medica, and the third part comprises of more 4 parts. Okay, it is first is the table of approximate duration of action of the remedies, the second is the antagonistic remedies, third is the second is complementary remedies, and third is the antagonistic remedies, and fourth is the supplementary reference table. Okay, so these are the 3 main parts of Boger synoptic key. Okay, so from magic number 3 we have learned many things about Boger synoptic key. Okay, that is it has 3 to 3 remedies. Okay, it was published in 1931, and then it is having 3 grades and it is having 3 parts. Okay, 3 main parts. Then we will discuss about these 3 main parts again. Okay, in detail. The first part is a short repertory. Okay, so this repertory is again divided into 4 parts. Okay, the first part is again divided into 4 subparts, means these are actually the chapter names. Okay, so the first chapter will be the period of aggravations. Okay, as you know, Dr. Boger gave much importance to time. So the first is the period of aggravation, then second is the conditions of aggravation and ameliorations. Okay, and that is the modalities. Okay, but in the chapter name is conditions of aggravation and amelioration. Then the third one is the generalities, and the fourth one is the regional repertory. Okay, now this regional repertory is again divided into many into the parts of the bodies anatomically. Okay, so from the head to the extremities. Okay, that is in the fourth part, that is the regional repertory, regional part. Then we will again revise. Okay, the first part, which is the repertory, is again divided into periods of aggravation, conditions of aggravation and amelioration, generalities, and the regional repertories. Okay, so these are the four parts in which the first part is divided. Okay, that is the repertory part is divided into four parts, that is the periods of aggravation, conditions of aggravation and amelioration, generalities, and regional repertory. Okay, now and in this part, in this repertory, there are three gradations. Okay, and three gradations of BSK is CBR, that is capital, bold, and Roman. Okay, capital, bold, Roman. Capital is first grade, bold is the second grade, and Roman is the third grade. Okay, then the second part is the synopsis of Materia Medica. Okay, in this he has discussed about the Materia Medica of different remedies. Okay, the symptomatology of the characteristic symptomatology of different remedies, that is how many remedies are there, 3 to 3. Okay, in BSK 3 to 3 remedies. Okay, the characteristic symptoms of 3 to 3 remedies are discussed in this part, that is the synopsis of Materia Medica. So how these remedies have been discussed in this part is also very specific to this Boger synoptic key. Okay, the structure of explaining these remedies is in this fashion or this manner, that is, the first he explains about the general modalities, then he explains about the time modalities of that remedy. Okay, first will be the general modalities of that remedy, second is the time modalities of that remedy, and then he discusses about the paths affected by that remedy. Okay, means the sphere of action. Okay, the paths affected. Then fourth, he discusses about the characteristics in that remedy, and in the fifth part he discusses about the complementary and other relationships of the of that particular remedy. Okay, so in this fashion he has explained about explained 323 remedies. So how is it he has explained the remedy? He has first told about the general modalities, then the time modalities, then the part affected, and then the characteristics, and then he has given about the complementary and other relationships. Okay, so this was the second part, that is the synopsis of Materia Medica. Then the third part is the supplementary reference table. Okay, the third part was supplementary reference table. Okay, third part actually it comprises of more four parts, in which I will discuss about the supplementary reference table only, and other three parts you have to read. Okay, so what were the four parts in the third part was the table of approximate duration of action of the remedies, then complementary remedies, antagonistic remedies, and supplementary reference table. So the supplementary reference table is used as a ready reference. Okay, it is used as a ready reference for which part? For the repertory part. So the supplementary reference table was used for the ready reference to the repertory part. Then it also has a list of abbreviation of the remedies and a list of rubrics in alphabetical order. Okay, which is also used as a reference part to the Materia Medica. Okay, so this is in short the Boger synoptic key. Okay, then you have to read about the table of approximate duration of action of remedies, complementary remedies, antagonistic remedies, and also the utility of this Boger synoptic key and the disadvantages, advantages, disadvantages, or utility and disadvantages. Okay, and a small tip for that will be that it is a clinical repertory, so the advantages and disadvantages of the clinical repertory applies to this repertory also. Okay, so thank you for watching, and Hope so you do very well in your repertory exams. Thank you. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.